Welcome to Learn English Institute. Here, learning English is fun and easy. Practice speaking, listening, and reading with us. Now, let's enjoy today's story. Doing good to others. Daniel wakes up feeling happy. Today, he wants to help someone. After breakfast, he puts on his shoes and walks outside. He sees an old woman trying to carry heavy bags. "Can I help you?" he asks. She smiles and says, "Yes, thank you." Daniel carries the bags to her house. She gives him a cookie. "You are very kind," she says. Later, Daniel sees a little girl crying. She lost her balloon. He gives her a new one from the shop nearby. The girl laughs and hugs him. "Thank you," she says. Then Daniel walks to the park. He sees trash on the ground. He picks it up and throws it in the bin. A man sees him and says, "That's a good thing to do." At the end of the day, Daniel sits on a bench and smiles. He didn't spend any money, except for the balloon, but he helped 3 people. He feels warm inside. Helping others is simple. A kind word or a small action can make someone's day better.